Welcome to Run Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this meat grinder and also this vegetable shredder. It's a great product. You can shred vegetables or cheese, like to make a nice salad. So it does three different slicings. It slices nice and thin, and then it shreds a little thicker, and then shreds a little thinner. So really cool. You want more? My little tester over here. No, you want this one? So really great. The kids love this because it slices really thin. And then for the meat, it grinds it, and I can actually make sausages, or I like to make like empanadas and stuff. So this is the meat after it's being processed from there. So this is great. It comes with everything that you need to either, to mash the meat, to grind the meat, to making sausages as well. It comes with the attachments to make thicker, 3 different size sausages. It has different size meat, also cutters, so you can make it thin, medium size, larger size. The medium size is the one I did, and then even bigger pieces as well. So lots of attachments that this comes with. It comes with brushes to clean everything afterwards. So really great, and it's all attached to your KitchenAid. You simply put it on and then tighten this in, and that's it. This one, you just add the piece that you want right here, and you're ready to go. And the same thing with the meat one. You just place it inside. You want another one? Here you go, baby. As you can see, he loves it. And the same thing, you just attach it. So now that's tight, and then you would turn it, put the meat inside, and then it would come out here. So great, I love it. I highly recommend this. Again, you can do anything from doing meat to slicing. So this is my favorite tool now in the kitchen. I could do all my slicing in one machine instead of having, various machines. So highly recommend this product, and we hope you enjoy. Bye.